So in terms of planning for a data science project, tools is actually something that, yes, we talk about it, but we don't actually put high priority. But yes, okay, we have a plan of end in mind. That is, so which tools are we going to actually connect the pipeline and then use eventually? But the discussion, if you talk to a businessman, they will always want to actually understand one thing: can it earn money, and how do we actually deploy it? What's the cost? How long will you take? Right. So then we always talk about a business objective first. Then when we talk about a business objective, the things that come along to discuss is actually the data that comes with it. I always actually tell people that you want to actually do a lobster salad, and you don't have lobster in the fridge, which is your database. It's not going to be a lobster salad. It's just going to be a salad. Yeah. So then, yes, you can actually think about fanciful business objective to resolve. But then if you don't have the right information to actually solve the business objective, it is just actually pure discussion, right? So yes, we have business objective. Then the next thing we talk about is the data, what data you have. And then we actually talk about methodology, what is the blueprint that we actually sit down and discuss and plan. So what is actually a blueprint that you want to actually use? What is the methodologies that you want to use? What kind of data that you have that actually aligns with the methodologies you're going to use? And then you talk about the tools. Of course, along the discussion, you actually have talk about, so you're going to use SQL. Where is the data sitting? Is it sitting on your server or my server? Is it actually going to be on your server, translate to my server? Because I'm a vendor, I don't actually have your server. So how is it going to be transferred over? And then things like that. So how is the pipeline going to be built? So this is actually the entire gist of discussion. Then what is actually the view of a statistician versus someone who don't learn statistics well enough? I always say this. I always actually tell people like that. That is longitudinal versus cross-sectional data. You know, right?